Using Bartag Express to turn your data in a SQL Server database into GS1 barcode is quite simple and straightforward. In this video, we'll guide you step by step. First, launch Bartag Express. On the left side menu, click the Database button. A dialog will pop up asking you to choose the database type. From the list, select SQL Server Database, then click the Next button. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your SQL Server data source information. Fill in the host server, port number is 1433, database name, username, and password. Once done, click Next. Now, you will see a dialog with a list of table names on the left. Click on the table you want to use. The SQL command window on the right will automatically update. It will show, select asterisk from product info. Click the green Execute button. You'll now see all the fields from your database appear in the lower window. Uncheck the field you don't want, then click the Finish button. You'll now see the property window updated with buttons labeled by your selected database field names. For example, GTIN has 14 digits, batch can have up to 20 digits, and expiry date has 6 digits. Let's say you want to include GTIN and batch in your GS1-128 barcode. Just click the GTIN button, then click on your label. You'll see the GTIN string appear in your label. Now, click the text you just added, and then click the Change to Barcode button in the property window. And boom, your text is now a barcode. It's that simple. Select the barcode and choose GS1-128 as the symbol from the list. Next, add the application identifiers. Type 02 for GTIN and 10 for batch. Then, click the Batch button. That's it. You've now converted all your data into GS1-128 barcode. Click Plus button, make barcode wider. Right-click to save the barcode as image. You can also choose Export Image, Print, and PDF from the top menu. Want to use GS1 QR code instead? Just choose QR code from the list, then check the GS1 checkbox. Your data is now displayed as a GS1 QR code. Click minus button to make QR code smaller. Want to switch to GS1-Data Matrix? Just choose Data Matrix from the list. Your data will be converted to a GS1-Data Matrix format instantly. That's how you use Bartag Express to turn your SQL Server data into GS1 compliant barcodes. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.